Hello fish fools, Jeff here. So this is my 40-gallon planted Livebearer community tank, and I was just checking out this fish right here. Right there. I believe that is a swordtail. A swordtail fry or juvenile now. You can kind of see a horizontal line. That is like a swordtail trait. So there's a lot of mostly platies in here, platies and guppies for the Livebearers. It's the same genus, Xiphophorus, but swordtails are Xiphophorus helleri and platies are Xiphophorus maculatus. But they can interbreed. I have one female pineapple swordtail right there, and a male there. So she must have been her offspring. It was just the one that I've noticed. But being the lone, yep, there it is. The lone one. Kind of cool to spot it. And then there's also Varietas platy. That's Xiphophorus varietas, or variatus. Alright, well, just a quick update pointing out the little swordtail. Alright, that's it for now. And remember, I'm Jeff, and I enjoy fishes. Thanks for watching.